Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education Group Bhadra June. This is our class 7th. This is our class 7th subject maths. And exercise number 2.5 and this is video 2. Okay. So what we have to do is we will solve our question number third, which is what express. Question number third part first is express 5 centimeter in meter, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Okay, so we have to express 5 centimeter. We have to express 5 centimeters in meter and kilometer. Okay, as we know very well, our kilometer is actually 5 centimeter to meter. Whenever we will convert our 5 centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100. This is our now 5 centimeter equals to 5 upon 100 meters. Okay, so if we will convert it into points, then what we will get, what we will have to do is 0.05 meters is our answer. Okay, now we will go for kilometers. Hence we have to divide by 1000 for converting this meter into kilometers. Okay, so this is what 0.000 and 05 kilometers is our answer. Okay, our next question is what? Next question is question number third and second part. Question number third and second part is what? Express 5 mm in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Express 35 mm in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay, so this is 35 mm equals to, now what we have to do is we have to divide 35 by 10, which is 3.5 centimeters. Now we will go for meters, and what we will have to do is we have to divide our centimeter part by 100. So this is 0.035 meters. Okay, now we will go for kilometer. What we have to do is 0.035 divided by 1000. This is now 530 is already here. We have to put 3 zeros also. This is our kilometer and this is answer also. Okay, so next one is what? Our next one is question number 4th. Express. In our question number 4th, we are given express express in kg, express in kilogram. So what is our first one is 200 gram. Second one is what? 3470 gram. And third one is what? Third one is 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg 8 gram. Okay, now what we have to do is our first part is 200 gram and we have to convert it in kilograms. So what we'll do is 200 divided by 1000, what we will get is 0.2 kg kilogram. Okay, now we will convert R3470 gram into kilograms. So what we will get is we have to divide this by 1000. Now this is 3.470. okay, 3.470 kg. And our third one is what? Third one is 4 kg and 8 gram. First we will convert our 4 kg into gram. So for actually we have to express in kg. So this is already given in kg. Now we will convert our gram in kg. So 8 upon 1000. Now what we have to do is 8 plus 0.008. So hence our answer is 4.008 kg. 4.008 kg. Okay. Now what we will do is we will go for our question number 5th. What is our question number 5th? Question number 5th is write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. So our first one is what? 20.03. Second one is 2.03, and our third one is what? Third one is 200.03. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Okay, actually we have to expand it. So what we'll do is 20.03 should be written as 20 plus 0.03. Okay, and after that what we'll do is now what we'll do is this 20 can be written as 2 into 10 plus this one is 3 only and 3 upon देखो पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट आ रही हैं तो ये 100 हो जाएगा, है ना. यही हो गया आपका रिक्वायर्ड एक्सपेंशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज नंबर सेकंड विच इज़ 2.03. ओके, तो देखो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन? 2 plus 0.03. 2 can be written as 2 into 1 and after that plus 0.03, तो 3 upon 100. Okay, is our answer. Next one is what? Our next one is third, which is 200.03. This can be written as 200 plus 0.03. 200 is 2 into 100 plus 0.03 can be written as 3 upon 100. This is our answer. Okay, and our fourth one is what? Fourth one is 2.034. This can be written as 2 plus 0.034. Okay, So 2 is 2 can be written as 2 into 1 plus 3 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 4 अपॉन 1000। अब देखो भाई ऐसे में आंसर क्या है आपका वेरी कर सकता है भाई। अगर क्वेश्चन में 3 और 4 को अलग अलग एक्सपेंड किया गया होगा तो वो जो आंसर आएगा वो भी मैं आपको बता दे रहा हूँ, है ना। अगर देखो डिफरेंटली मैं अगर एक्सपेंड करूँगा इसको तो ये होगा आपका 2 इंटू 1 प्लस पॉइंट, इसको लिखेंगे अपन 0.030 प्लस 0.0 है ना 0.03 फिर उसके बाद 04, ठीक। तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 2 इंटू 1 यानी कि 2 और 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 0.03, इसको क्या लिखेंगे अपन 3 अपॉन 3 के बाद कितने हैं देखो पॉइंट के बाद कितने 1 2 3, 3 के नीचे 30 है ना, 3 से पहले 2 है ना तो 0.3 अपॉन 100 और फिर प्लस 4 पॉइंट डाल दो, अब यहाँ से पॉइंट हट गया 4 अपॉन 1000, ये हो गया आपका आंसर, ठीक। नेक्स्ट वन इज देखो भाई नेक्स्ट वन है अगला अपना फिफ्थ के बाद अगला है सिक्स्थ। तो सिक्स्थ वन में क्या है आपके राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इन द फॉलोइंग डेसिमल नंबर्स। भाई 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है, राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू, राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers, in the following decimal numbers। write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers। फॉलोइंग डेसिमल नंबर्स में आपको प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है। तो व्हाट विल डू इज राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इन द फॉलोइंग डेसिमल नंबर्स। सिक्स्थ का फर्स्ट पार्ट है आपके 2.56, सेकेंड पार्ट है आपके 21.37, थर्ड पार्ट है आपके 10.25, फोर्थ पार्ट है आपके 9.42, फिफ्थ पार्ट है 9.42। okay, and our fifth part is what 63.352, 63.352। now what we have to do is write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers। so our first number is what, our first number is 2.56, we have to write the place value of 2। actually 2 is coming on the units place, hence the place value is 2 into 1, okay, or units place, I hope you all got it, okay। and this place which is units place can also be written as ones place, okay, ones। next one is what, our part next is 21.37। here this is ones place and this is tens place, so tens place, okay। next one is third one, and what is that, third one is what, Next one is third one, and third one is what? 10.25. 10.25. Actually this is listen, now this is actually in our third part. What is there? This is 10th place, because after point 2 is coming, so this is 10th place. Okay, and after that number fourth one is what? Fourth one is 9.42. 9.42. This is 100th place. 100th place. ओके, 100वां भाग है ये, है ना। इस तरीके से चलेंगे अपन। तो आगे देखेंगे अपने नंबर फिफ्थ वन इज़ व्हाट? फिफ्थ वन इज़ 63.352. दिस इज 1000th प्लेस। 1000th प्लेस। Okay, now after that what we will do is, or what we have to do is, this was number 6th. We will go for our number 7th. Okay, so our question number 7th is what? Question number 7th is, Dinesh went from a place A to place B, from there to place C. Okay, Dinesh went from a place, from A to place B, from A to place B. Okay, and from there to place C, and from there to place C, and from there to place C. Okay, to place C. A is 7.5 kilometers from B. 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 A is 7.5 kilometers from B, and B is 12.7 kilometers from C. And B is 12.7 kilometer from C. 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub went from a place A to place D. Ayub went from A place. Ayub went from place A to place D. From place A to place D. Ayub went from place A to place D, and from there to place C, and from there to place C. Okay, D is 9.3 kilometer from A. Capital D is 9.3 kilometers. D is 9.3 kilometers from A. A. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D, and C is 11.8 km from D, and E is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more and by how much? Who traveled more? Who traveled more and by how much? And by how much? Who traveled more and by how much? Okay. So listen, we will now go for calculation. If you are not able or you will feel any problem in understanding this question, then you can make comment. We will make a separate video. Okay. I am just going to solve it now. Actually, one figure is also given in this question, and our figure is A to B. A to B, this is our A, this is B, okay, and after that B to C, and again this is A to D, and now D to once again C, okay, and another line is also drawn, this type of, okay. Now what we have to do is, Dinesh went from A to place B and from there to place C. A to B from C, okay. C, and distances are A to B. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C, okay. Ayub went from place A to D. Ayub went from A to D and from there to C, okay. So A is how much? A is 9.3 km from A to C, 9.3 km A to C, and 11.8 km from C to D. Who traveled more and how much? Actually, this way is this one, this way is this one. We have to add these two. So what we will get is 12.7 is added by 7.5. 7 and 5 is 12. 1 carry. This is 10. 0. 1 also carry 20.2. This way, when Dinesh traveled 22.2, okay. And how much this one? Ayub, I hope Ayub is there. Ayub traveled, Ayub went. Actually, for calculating Ayub's distance, we have to add these two. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry. So what is that? 10 and 11. 1 carry 22. So Ayub went more, okay. Ayub went more. Ayub went more. Ayub went more, okay. Now what we have to do is, we will go for our question number next, which is, what is that? Our question number next is, question number 8. Question number next is question number 8. Question number 8. What I have to do is, listen. Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples. Shyama bought 5 kg and 300 gram apples. And 3 kg 250 gram mangoes, and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Okay. And Sarla bought 4 kg and 800 gram oranges and 4 kg and 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Who bought more fruits? Who bought more fruits? Okay, Syama bought this one and this one. Okay, so we have to add the two. 5 kg and 300 gram is added with 3 kg and 250 gram. Okay, so when we will add, what we will get is grams are 0, this is 5 and this is again 5, this is 8, so this is 8 kg and 550 grams. Okay, Sarla bought this one 4 kg and 800 grams is added by 4 kg and 150, 4 kg and 150 grams. Okay, we will add 0, 5, this is 9 and this is 8. Now this is 8 kg and 550 grams, this is again 8 kg and 950, but 950 gram, again 8 kg but 950 gram. Hence the oranges bought by Sarla is greater. Okay, Sarla bought more. Sarla bought more. Actually, for supplying you video timely, I have just got on this paper, but in next videos we will continue with our that format, which was what? Okay, which was on board. So no problem is there. You will just continue to study. We will take care of, and if you have not got, then you can make comment. Actually questions are very easy, that is only why I have taken this way. Okay, and if you have any problem, then we will make this video again. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.